Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, message and energy check. Reading. Okay, so by elements muna dahil gumawa ako ng long video kanina by parang ano ba yun? Reading para sa September. Oo. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. Okay? And kung may tanong pagdating sa private or personal reading, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so there. So let's start. Okay, air signs. Okay, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So that's air signs. Okay, if you're Gemini, a Libra, or an Aquarius, you're an air sign. Okay, so ito ang sample ng air sign. Okay? So, ano bang meron for you? Okay. Anong meron for you, air signs? Okay. Uh-huh. Air sign. Ano bang meron? Okay. Oh. Okay. The Lovers in reverse. This is Gemini. Okay? The Lovers in reverse. Nakakarinig ako dito ng parang ang tawag doon. Pag-iwa-hiwalay. Okay? Pag-iwa-hiwalay in general. Yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse. So there is like a delay. Okay, delay of partnership. Some of you, meron ditong partnership na hindi mag-progress, na hindi mag-level up. Why? The World in reverse. Okay, maybe because marami pang kailangang ayusin sa past. Okay? There is confusion. Okay? Nandyan yung takot. Kaya hindi magawa-gawang i-level up. Lalo na kung ito ay partnership talaga. Okay? Ano tong The Lovers universe? Yeah, the Knight of Cups universe. So, yun nga, parang cycle. No, the Knight of Cups, every time na nakabaliktad ang isang knight, ang action niyan ay paulit-ulit. Pabalik-balik. Parang nasa loop. Okay? Back and forth. Hindi consistent. Okay? Some of you, kita nyo na yan. Ano tong Eight of Wands universe? The Five of Wands. Okay. Some of you air sign, kung merong mga madidelay na lakad, isipin nyo na lang, blessing yun. Blessing in disguise. Okay? Isipin nyo na lang na gabay yun or iniiwas ka lang sa hindi magandang mangyayari. Okay? Kung sa tingin ninyo parang merong hindi natuloy or hindi matutuloy, huwag nyo nang ituloy. Okay? Kasi meron ditong baka ituloy mga lakad. Okay? Some of you, reply is a reply. Okay? Merong kailangan makarinig niyan. No answer is an answer. Okay? Ano tong The World? So, may nagme-message lang. Okay? Ano tong The World in reverse? What's with The World in reverse? Yeah, the Hangman. So, delays, pending, ang daming pending dito. Ang dami. Kung sa tingin ninyo ang pakikipagrelasyon is isang hadlang para makuha nyo ang goals nyo, then wag kayo makipagrelasyon muna. Okay? And don't chase after love. Okay? Huwag nyo habulin ng love. Okay? So, meron lang mga kailangang makarinig niyan. Merong gusto makipag-ayos sa'yo na Gemini, fire sign, Pisces, na hindi lang magawa. Yeah. Meron ditong hindi pa rin totally makamove on from a past relationship na nagkukos ng a lot of delays and pending decisions. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Okay, next is fire sign. Yeah, fire signs. So, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, that is fire signs. Okay? So, anong message for you? Fire signs. Okay. Anong kailangang marinig ng mga fire signs? Anong kailangang malaman? Okay. Anong energy nyo? Two of Wands. Indecisive, confused, someone. Pwedeng kino-confuse kayo or pwedeng dinidelay kayo. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Meron ditong like, huy, wait lang fire sign, hintayin mo ako ha, kasi hindi pa ako tapos eh, hindi pa ready yung akin. Baka naman sabay na tayo. Yeah, may nakikita akong ganyan. Or pwedeng may mga taong i-delay ka, pahihirapan ka, ganyan. Why? Pwedeng itong mga to is may lihim na galit. Okay? Dahil gusto nila na hindi ka rin makakausad in general. Okay? Some of you, may mga palipad hangin. May mga nagpalipad hangin sa inyo. Ha? Kaya feeling nyo, bakit ganyan? Ang hirap umusad. Bakit kahit anong gawin ko, hindi ako makausad? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. No? Okay. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. This is cycle. Repeat cycle. No? May mga taong sinasamantala yung kabaitan mo. Fire sign. Okay? The Lovers. Kung meron kayong situation na parang may nag-end, lalo na pagdating sa relasyon, huwag niyong hayaan na pumasok ulit kayo sa isang relasyon na hindi pa kayo healed. Okay? Nagbabypass kayo. Temporary lang ang makikita ninyong kasiyahan dyan. Hindi permanent. And, ang isa pa na hindi okay is, pwedeng idinadamay nyo or sabihin nating madadamay itong taong ito. Okay? Wag na. Kung sa tingin nyo, some of you nagiging selfish, or pwedeng merong fire sign dito, or a Gemini, ang parang nagiging selfish. Okay? Ano tong Two of Wands? The Six of Swords. Gawin mo ang dapat mong gawin. Don't delay. Okay? Don't delay. Yeah. Kung sa tingin mo kailangan mo nang umusad, umusad ka. Kailangan mo umaksyon, umaksyon ka. Nine of Wands, please. Two of Swords. Maraming tao ang parang nakapaligid sa inyo ang nagkokos ng delay. Sa pamamagitan ng pagsasabi ng mga opinion nila, no? Sa pagsasabi ng mga kung ano mang hindi naman dapat iparinig sa'yo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng partner mo pa yan. Ang daming parang energy rito na gustong pahirapan ka palagi, fire signs. Yeah, again, the Wheel of Fortune. The Four of Wands in reverse. There's no stability here. Iba sa inyo, masyado kayo nalulugmok dyan sa relasyon na meron kayo. Wala nang growth. Wala nang progress. Okay? Meron ditong gumagawa ng spell. May gumagawa ng spell dito. Kaya parang ang hirap alisan. I think some of you, you're in a karmic relationship. Karmic. Kaya ganyan. Ang hirap. Ang hirap layuan, ang hirap kalimutan. Kahit anong gawin mo, nandyan pa rin. May lesson na ibinigay si universe kaya napunta ka sa sitwasyon na yan or sa relasyon na yan. Kailangan mo lang yun na ma-decode para makalaya ka dyan. Okay? So there. Avoid delays. Okay? Next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. So, anong message for you, water signs? Okay, water signs. Anong message for you? The Nine of Swords. Okay. Someone is afraid. Someone is not like getting enough sleep. Okay. Someone is overthinking. Someone is sad. Sino to? Anong meron sa taong to? The Knight of Swords. Someone na hindi mo kausap. An air sign. Someone is overthinking. Okay? The Devil in reverse. Maybe they want to take action. They want to talk. Okay? Some of them gusto nilang makaalis na sa mga ganitong isipin. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Cups in reverse. They want to let go. Let it go. Let it go. Na 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 na. Justice. Pwedeng Libra. Some of you, you're overthinking. Pagdating sa isang Libra, pagdating sa isang Capricorn. Okay? Some of you, this is your energy because this is water na nakabaliktad. The Four of Cups, this is like Miss opportunity. Okay? Miss opportunity. May nasayangan. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Kung may nag-end, may nakakaramdam ng nasayangan. I don't know if this is you or yung person mo. I think this is you. Yeah. Okay. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. The Star. Some of you needs to heal because yung person mo is nag-heal na. The Hangman. Okay. Pero some of them, or maybe some of you, may energy rito na naghihintay. I guess, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magtagpo pa rin yung landas nyo kung may nangyaring separation. Okay? Ang nakukuha ko lang dito is relationship. There is a non-committal, kaya may nangyaring separation. A non-committal or a commitment phobe. Takot sa commitments. Yan. Okay? They drop you. But yeah, they're still waiting. Okay? Some of you may ganyan. Or maybe kayo yun. Next is Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Anong message for Earth signs? Okay. Earth signs. The Queen of Cups in reverse. Someone's being selfish. Yeah, the Nine of Wands. Some of you, may person dito na parang ginaguard nila yung self nila from you. Yeah, they're not talking with the Hermit. Pwedeng ikaw to, or pwedeng energy mo to. Parang gumagawa ka ng healthy boundaries, no? Dahil pwedeng iniingatan mo na yung sarili mo from them. Yeah, the Moon. Okay. Yung iba rito nakakita ko ng pwedeng inaalagaan yung sarili through pampering themselves. Like going to spa, like cutting their hair, mapababae, mapalalaki ha, going to parlor, yan, mga ganyan, barber shop, yan. Ano tong Queen of Cups in reverse? Meron ditong like totally hindi hinahayaan na malaman kung ano bang meron sa kanya. The Page of Coins. Someone wants to talk. Yeah. Pero you're guarding yourself from them. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Okay. So, I guess, kaya mo to ginagawa dahil pagod ka na sa on and off, pagod ka na sa back and forth na situation. Yeah, this is a relationship. A failed start. Ayaw mo na ulit nun. Okay. So, what's with the Moon? Someone is talking. Okay. May nag-i-stalk. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Meron ding mga taong kailangan mong i-guard yung sarili mo from them. Sila yung mga energy vampires. Okay? Sila yung mga taong nandyan lang pag kailangan ka. Nandyan lang kapag malungkot sila. Ginagawa kan lang crying shoulder. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong hindi approach dahil parang wala na silang like alam sa'yo. Okay? There is a blockage here. Parang dumating na sa punto, like fire sign, dumating na sa punto na parang napagod na rin sila. Okay? Like that. But yeah, they're commitment phobe. No? Yeah. Pakiramdam nila wala ka ng time for them. Pakiramdam nila is hindi ka nila mahabol, mga ganyan. So, ang nakikita ko, kailangan ka lang alisan, layuan, kasi wala naman na sila talagang totally nalalaman from you. Wala na silang idea kung anong meron sa'yo, like that. Okay, energy ng reconciliation is nakataob na maybe for them. Ang alam nila is wala nang reconciliation na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? So, yeah. Some of your friends hindi nagiging totoo sa'yo, earth sign. Okay? Kailangan mong i-guard yung self mo from them. May mga bad influence na nakapaligid sa'yo. Okay? So, there, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Okay? So, yeah, thank you. Bye!